What I want to talk about now is your site structure and how things should be organized, or what you should have at this point. Notice over here in this corner I have the Serenity Spa folder site open. Notice I have an images. I have my spa image there. I have an index.html, which is this page over here, and I have the spa images.html page. If I go to my live view and click on there, it brings up my spa images page, and there I have a link back to the home page. So this is what you should have for the Serenity Spa. Now if I go and I change my site to the Organic Utopia, which everybody should have, notice over here I have an About Us, I have an index, I have a styles, and then that lowly beat text that we copied from. Let's close this index.html since it belongs to the Serenity Spa, and let's click on this index.html in the Organic Utopia. And notice this is the last file that I worked on for the lesson 3. The lowly beat with the image there and the text below there. Alright, and we also created an About Us.html file. And there we have the different images that are for that particular site. So when I go and I change the sites here, it changes the files that I'm working on. And then you should have one additional site. It's your own name, whatever you named it, and you should have some images, and you should have some files that are related to there. Alright, this is a site I did for the previous class where we used Montana Parks as the lessons. So this is the organization you should have. Every time you work on a particular one, you need to make sure you open up that site so you're working in the right folder. So make sure every time you work on a project, you change this site to the proper site. Either Serenity Spa, if we're working on those assignments, Organic Utopia, or your own personal site. This way you can keep organized and all the files will be separated into separate folders with the separate sites.